Yeah, welcome back to another video. This is the test server. I'm basically gonna explain this hanger. This is basically my vape hanger. I might change the other shit. I'm gonna do like and those only vape hanger a lot. Here's my oh my god, bro. Yo, the test server, I ain't gonna lie, right now it's just being actually fucking broke. Because I don't know why they upgraded the lobby crate. Literally, like, how they gonna allow that? How they gonna allow these fucking guns so much bigger? The Ravagers like that. Good there, follow them. I don't care about it. But basically, I'm gonna explain from my side of it. This one is a Russia. I think that the little folks back that up. I should have waited for the time to come out, but still too late. And I'm gonna do 2 battles with this hanger. I got 5 hangers. I'm gonna explain why I made this battle. The reason why. I definitely would have wanted to change the weapons I made. I don't remember what second I learned it from. Oh, like the new, it's like for the that's what I learned. Oh shit. I'm gonna kill you. Just redive on blade and on weapons. Well, the ultimate, I just hate the fucking. And this one was usually meant, since it has like a chaining effect, I thought if you lift the robot and there's like robots below it would chain downwards to the robots below it. I haven't used it. This is literally okay, wow, I'm really lagging. What internet am I connected to, bro? I think everybody's connected to that. Alright, we're gonna play one more. How long was the video? Damn, what? It wasn't even 10 minutes? Alright, but well, it is what it is. So I'm gonna explain this. Since this robot is fast, I decided to put homing ones and the ones that can go over cover. That's why it's on the phone. And it slows them down, so it'd be easier for these ones to attack. And then I got the lockdown drone to obviously do work. And then I went with attack. I think I picked up. I feel like I should switch it out for last stand just because the fucking annoying revengers with those stupid ass fucking bugs getting me annoying. And then they both get tough too. I've seen the health in it, but it's super. That makes no damn sense. So this one is extra good. Like literally it's also more big than so that's why it has the omnibus drill so I can stack up and I get I want to attack so that if the enemies or just like anything that's ultimate goal because also stunts and then obviously get there's one that would actually be like literally broken. That like that shouldn't even be allowed. But I'm thinking about switching this because it's shit. I think I'm gonna go with that because this robot is very passionate. So and it's literally the build that I wanted for my actual fucking setup. And then this one, as you've seen, I was already cooking with it. If I had the 350 ones, I think I would have like literally shot these weapons, but it's not available, so I'm not gonna get them. I was thinking about putting those on. I mean, those would have been good too, but I think they got nerfed for the test server, and these got nerfed too, so I wasn't gonna put those on either. I went with the glories. I thought about this, but I wasn't going to check. As you seen, I kind of pushed it out with this drone because I was wondering since it's locked out. I was thinking that well maybe that would work. I might switch it out for these weapons, but I don't know. Thinking about it. So yeah. So I was like, you know what? I already have one shot. I don't feel like I need another, but I was thinking about it. It wasn't doing bad damage, but it wasn't doing I think I should go with rock. Are locking down early. I'm at 10%. I don't know I make main charge. I hope the test server doesn't end at 12, but I don't know. So.
But I see, what you call it? What's the module? The module that we got, right
Get rid of this shit. Not even fun.
Since this one gets rid of training that was in my mind that I was thinking of doing right. And the radar is 500, so even if they're in Boston, it's literally the same with the gun that you're range. So I want to see if that chaining effect would actually work if I get it. Although I know get it back. Bro. What the fuck?
I could probably play one more before I end of it. Cause bro, that's some bullshit. Like what, bro? I swear this shit said, bro. In that open, bro, I swear this looked 500. I guess it's 350. What the fuck? Honestly, these again. I don't care if the video is longer. Let's do the whole entire universe. Because at least I know that I'm happy to do it. I'm just happy about that. Oh shit, I forgot to do the intro. Welcome back to Miss Beyond. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys all had a wonderful day. Restful day. I honestly forgot because of the Eagles game. And on top of that, just came back and decided that I wanted to play. Finally got to do it. triple dodge is really bro. That is just annoying. That's just annoying.
It's already an annoying robot, and you're just gonna fucking glaze him as well.
Or like punching him. I then I'm gonna go fucking.
I don't even know what happened.
All of them. All of them. Man, bro, we didn't even make it at 10. I can't target him in the fucking air, like, bro.
Yo, alright. You know what? That's that.
Please like this.